Have you ever wondered how factories load thousands of products into shipping containers without exceeding weight limits or wasting space? In today's lesson, you'll join Nam and Mai as they plan a real export shipment in a manufacturing factory. You'll learn useful workplace English for container loading, cargo planning, weight control, and shipping documentation. Along the way, you'll hear important technical terms such as payload, load plan, cargo distribution, stuffing, lashing, and capacity utilization. Let's step into the logistics office and see how container and cargo planning works in the real world.
Good morning, Mai. Have you checked today's shipping schedule?
Good morning, Nom. Yes, I have. We need to finalize the load plan for the export cargo.
How many containers are we using for this shipment?
We have one 20 GP and two 40 HQ containers assigned.
Did the sales team confirm the total order quantity?
Yes, the total volume is around 128 cubic meter, CBM.
That's quite a lot. We need to calculate the capacity utilization carefully.
Exactly. We don't want unused space, but we also must avoid overloading.
Do you have the details of the payload for each container?
The 20 GP has a lower payload than the 40 HQ, so heavier products should be distributed properly.
Let's review the weight limit first.
The weight limit of the first container is close to being reached.
Then we should adjust the cargo distribution.
I agree. If we move some cartons to the second 40 HQ, it should be balanced.
Have you checked the current pallet configuration?
Yes, some pallets are stacked differently from the original plan.
Will that affect the loading efficiency?
It might. Poor pallet configuration can slow down forklift operations.
We should update the load plan immediately.
I'll revise it and share it with the warehouse team.
What about the fragile items?
Those items require additional securing during transportation.
Should we use extra straps?
Yes, proper lashing is necessary to prevent movement.
I remember we had a complaint last month.
Right. The cargo shifted because the lashing was insufficient.
We can't repeat that mistake.
Absolutely. Product safety affects cargo integrity.
Did anyone complete the container inspection?
The inspection team started this morning.
Were there any problems?
They found minor issues during the damage check.
What kind of issues?
Small dents near the container door.
Is the container still usable?
Yes, but the findings must be recorded in the container inspection report.
Good. Documentation is important for compliance.
Exactly. Without proper compliance, we may face customer disputes.
Have you verified the seal number?
Not yet. We will confirm the seal number after loading.
Please double-check it before dispatch.
Of course. Incorrect records can create shipment delays.
How long will the stuffing process take?
Around 4 hours if everything goes smoothly.
Is manpower sufficient?
Yes. The warehouse supervisor assigned extra operators.
Good planning improves loading efficiency.
That's true. Efficient work also reduces overtime costs.
Do we have enough forklifts available?
2 forklifts are dedicated to this shipment.
That should support the stuffing schedule.
I hope so. Timing is critical today.
Are there any special customer requirements?
The customer requested photos before sealing the containers.
Then we should include them in the stuffing report.
Yes, the stuffing report should contain all supporting evidence.
Did quality control release all finished goods?
Almost all. A few cartons are awaiting final approval.
Will that affect the load plan?
Slightly. We may need to rearrange the cargo distribution.
Let's avoid last-minute changes.
I agree, but flexibility is sometimes necessary.
Have you reviewed the estimated gross weight?
Yes, it remains within the allowed weight limit.
That's a relief.
Still, we should monitor the actual loading data.
Do you think the capacity utilization is acceptable?
The latest calculation shows about 95%.
That's very efficient.
Yes, but maintaining cargo integrity is more important than maximizing space.
I completely agree.
Safety, accuracy, and compliance always come first.
Once loading is complete, we'll verify the final documents.
And we'll prepare the updated stuffing report for submission.
Great. Let's proceed carefully and keep everyone informed.
Nam, the warehouse team has started moving the pallets to the loading area.
Good.
Did they follow the revised load plan?
Yes, I briefed them before the shift started.
Have they separated the cargo by destination?
They have. The labels were checked twice to avoid mistakes.
Excellent. Proper cargo distribution reduces loading errors.
I noticed that one pallet exceeded the expected weight.
Really? Did it affect the pallet configuration?
Yes, we had to split the pallet into 2 smaller units.
That was the right decision. We cannot risk overloading.
Exactly. Staying within the weight limit protects both the cargo and the equipment.
What is the current status of the stuffing operation?
The first 40 HQ container is already half loaded.
Is the team maintaining good loading efficiency?
Yes, the forklift operators are working according to schedule.
Have they installed the required lashing materials?
They have started placing straps and corner protectors.
Please remind them that proper securing is essential.
I already did. Nobody wants cargo movement during transit.
Good. We must preserve cargo integrity until delivery.
I agree. Even minor damage can lead to customer complaints.
Did the team complete another damage check before loading?
Yes, all cartons were inspected for visible defects.
Were any damaged cartons found?
Only 2 cartons had torn packaging, and they were replaced immediately.
That's efficient. What about the second 40 HQ container?
It is waiting near the loading bay.
Has the container inspection been completed for it?
Yes, the floor, walls, and doors passed the container inspection.
Any signs of moisture or unusual odor?
None. The team completed the required damage check thoroughly.
Excellent. Have you recorded the seal number for the first container?
Yes, I verified the seal number with the shipping documents.
Please ask someone else to confirm it as well.
Good idea. Double verification supports compliance procedures.
Speaking of compliance, are all export documents ready?
Most of them are ready, but I am waiting for the final packing list.
We should avoid any discrepancy.
Absolutely. Documentation accuracy is part of compliance requirements.
How was the capacity utilization of the first container?
It reached 97% without compromising safety.
That's impressive.
The revised pallet configuration helped us optimize space.
Did we exceed the allowable payload?
No, the actual payload remains within specification.
That's good news.
However, the 20 GP container has limited remaining space.
Should we transfer some cartons to the second 40 HQ?
I think so. It will improve overall cargo distribution.
Let's update the load plan before making the adjustment.
I'll inform the warehouse supervisor immediately.
Is the customer still requesting loading photos?
Yes, they specifically requested photos of the stuffing process.
Then we should attach them to the stuffing report.
Agreed. A detailed stuffing report provides transparency.
Have you calculated the total cubic meter, CBM, used?
Yes, the shipment used almost all planned cubic meter capacity.
That explains the high capacity utilization.
Exactly, but we still respected the weight limit.
The team seems to have balanced speed and quality well.
Proper planning improved our loading efficiency significantly.
I appreciate everyone's effort today.
Me too. The warehouse staff worked very carefully.
Once loading is finished, let's conduct one final container inspection.
Yes, and we should confirm all seal number records again.
After that, we'll complete the final stuffing report.
Don't forget to include remarks about the completed damage check.
Good point. The report should also mention our securing methods.
And the type of lashing materials used.
That information supports future audits and compliance reviews.
Most importantly, it proves that we protected cargo integrity throughout the process.
I think today's operation went very smoothly.
Yes, careful planning prevented overloading and unnecessary delays.
Great teamwork always leads to successful shipments.
I agree, Nom. With a solid load plan, attention to detail, and cooperation, we can handle container operations efficiently and safely every time.
Great job completing today's lesson. In this conversation, you learned practical English used in container and cargo planning within a manufacturing environment. You heard important terms such as payload, weight limit, cargo distribution, load plan, stuffing, lashing, container inspection, and capacity utilization. These are common expressions used by logistics coordinators, warehouse supervisors, shipping staff, and production teams every day. To improve your speaking skills, try listening to the dialogue again and practice reading noms and mise lines aloud. The more you repeat real workplace conversations, the more confident you'll become when communicating in English at work. Thank you for learning with us today. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next manufacturing English lesson. See you in the next video.